Are your towels looking dull and gray? This simple trick will make them bright white again. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. This method removes yellow stains, unpleasant odors, and restores the original brightness of towels without expensive detergents. Start by preparing a large bowl or bucket and filling it with hot water. The heat helps the ingredients work better and penetrate deeper into the fibers. Then add half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda removes dirt, neutralizes odors, and refreshes fabrics. Next, add about half a cup of vinegar. It helps dissolve detergent buildup and makes towels soft again. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt, which helps brighten the fabric and reduce stains. Now add the juice of 1 large lemon. It has a natural whitening effect and leaves a fresh scent. Also add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, which helps break down grease and hidden residue in the fibers. Finally, add 1 packet of baking powder. This ingredient helps refresh fabrics even further and boosts the effectiveness of the entire mixture. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are fully combined with the water. Place the white towels into the mixture and let them soak for about 1 hour. After a short time, the water may begin to change color as dirt gradually lifts from the fabric. Then transfer the towels to the washing machine and wash as usual. Once dry, they will look noticeably brighter, fresher, and much more pleasant to the touch. This simple homemade whitening method can make white towels look almost brand new again. Each drawer in a washing machine has 3 compartments, but not everyone knows what they are for. One mistake can affect your laundry. If you use detergent pods, you might not use the detergent drawer at all. So, take a look at the drawer in your washing machine. Do you know which compartment is for what? There are always 2 compartments with lines and 1 compartment with a flower symbol. These lines are the Roman numerals 1 and 2. The compartment with the number 1 is for the pre-wash detergent. Most people never use the pre-wash cycle, so they don't use this compartment. The compartment with the flower is for fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, you pour it in here. Compartment number 2 is for the main wash detergent. This is where you pour liquid detergent or put in powder. It has an additional feature that makes it easier to use different types of detergent. More and more often, it has a small compartment that is movable. When you use powder detergent, the compartment should be raised. If you want to pour in liquid detergent, then this compartment should close off the part with the liquid. This way, the liquid won't spill out of the washing machine if the drawer is pulled out too far. Each compartment, therefore, has a specific use. Take a look at your washing machine and check if you are using the compartments in its drawer correctly. Put the plastic bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised what it can do. A simple disposable plastic bag will make your clothes cleaner after being taken out of the washing machine. How is this possible? Clothes carry dust, dirt, and hair. During washing, these contaminants often settle around the seal of the washing machine. That's why there are various dust and hair residues underneath it. All of this stays in the drum. Then these contaminants mix with the clothes in the next wash. But the solution may turn out to be a simple plastic bag. Put it in the washing machine. It must be a bag without printing. Add the clothes you need to wash. Add laundry detergent or a capsule. Pour fabric softener. Set the program to a temperature not higher than 40 degrees and start the washing. What will happen? There will certainly be more foam than usual. Due to the plastic bag, the detergent will foam more. Additionally, during the washing cycle, the plastic bag will collect all the dirt, fur, and hair that were on the clothes. When the washing machine finishes washing, open it and take out the laundry in the plastic bag. I'll show you that there is fine dust and hair on it. And I only washed 1 blouse. The blouse is clean, the washing machine too, and the residues were either rinsed away with water or removed from the plastic bag. Toss it in the washing machine, and dirt and limescale will disappear. Your washer will be clean, and your laundry will always smell fresh. But before you focus on the drum, it's essential to take care of other key parts. Regular cleaning is crucial for fresh laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Start with the washing machine door. Wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth. Pay special attention to the seals where detergent residue, hair, and dust tend to accumulate. Next, tackle the detergent drawer. Never skip this spot. Pull it out, Break a cleaning tablet into each compartment, pour in some vinegar, and scrub it all with a brush. Vinegar has antibacterial and disinfecting properties and helps dissolve dried-on deposits. Now, onto the washing machine drum. Toss in 2 cleaning tablets. These aren't expensive, specialized products. These simple tablets for cleaning dentures contain soda and citric acid, effectively removing limescale, greasy deposits, and bacteria. Set the program as usual. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will thank you with fresh, fragrant laundry and trouble-free operation. You can confidently wash your shoes in the washing machine without worrying that it will ruin your favorite footwear. You'll save time that you used to spend cleaning shoes by hand. I'll show you step by step how to do it so your shoes stay clean and well maintained. First, take a plastic bag, roll it up, and put it in the washing machine. This will prevent your shoes from banging against the drum. Now grab your favorite dirty shoes and apply toothpaste to them. Don't worry, toothpaste cleans and removes stains perfectly. Next, put the shoes in the washing machine next to the plastic bag. Add a scoop of laundry powder and select a gentle wash cycle. After the cycle is finished, take out the shoes and see how great they look. Leave them to dry, but make sure to dry them away from direct heat sources. This will help them maintain their shape and avoid damage. Now your shoes are clean and ready to wear. Put toothpaste on a lemon and toss it into the drum. The result will surprise you. Few people regularly clean their washing machine, often putting it off. Unfortunately, this habit is a bad one. Washing machines collect a lot of dirt, but these simple ingredients will keep yours in perfect condition. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive cleaners. Cut a lemon in half and spread toothpaste on each piece. Both lemon and toothpaste have antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Drop the prepared lemon halves into the washing machine. Next, lift the rubber seal around the drum and sprinkle some baking soda inside. Then, pour vinegar over it. Finally, run a short wash cycle. And that's it. Once the cycle is done, remove the lemon, and your washing machine will be as good as new. This method ensures a disinfected and refreshed interior while also removing limescale and preventing future buildup. I add 1 tablespoon to the washing machine. I haven't bought fabric softener for over a year. Ever since I started using this trick, I no longer reach for chemical softeners. Just 1 tablespoon of coarse salt completely replaces fabric softener. Your clothes will always be soft and fresh without unnecessary chemicals. Prepare a bowl and add 3 large tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt is a natural fabric softener, removes odors, and has antibacterial properties. Then pour in hot water and stir well until the salt fully dissolves. Soak a microfiber cloth in the solution, then lightly squeeze it and toss it into the washing machine with your clothes. Set the temperature to 40 degrees and the spin cycle to 800 RPM. Once the wash cycle is complete, you'll be amazed at the results. Your clothes will be as soft as a cloud, and their freshness will surprise you. Once you try this method, you'll never go back to buying expensive fabric softeners again.